Hello, and welcome to this Nearpod how-to tutorial. In this video, you will learn about the open-ended question. This activity encourages students to share free response thoughts, ideas, or understanding to a topic. Students can type answers up to 1,000 characters or answer with an audio recording using a microphone.
Mist is formed from the vapor given off by all the vegetation in the mountains.
To add an open-ended question to your lesson, first select Add Slide, and from the Activities category, choose Open-Ended Question. Type the question you want to ask your students. This can include up to 500 characters. You will have the option to change the font size, color, or add additional special characters. If you choose, add a timer to the assignment to help students manage their time on a task. You can also add a media reference or enable student audio recordings. This is a way for students to respond to the question for up to 10 minutes with a voice recorder, helping students who struggle to type or spell their responses. When you're done, select Save, and your student will be able to share their ideas to your teacher dashboard. If you would like to learn more, please check out our teacher resources page or email support@nearpod.com.